I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Sim Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 4, that is quadratic equations. So starting with the first exercise, that is 4.1, our first question says check whether the following equations are quadratic equations. So first part says x plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 2 into x minus 3. So here we have to apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or we can write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square, that is a as x whole square, plus 2 into a into b, that is a is we have x and b we have 1. So 2 into 1, that is 2x plus 1 is equals to, here we have to multiply this 2 with x and this 2 with minus 3. So it will give you 2x minus 6. So our equation will be x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Or we can write it as x square plus 0x plus 7 equals to 0. So this is an equation of type ax square plus bx plus c, which is equals to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. Second part says x square minus 2x, which is equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So again we have to solve it with the same, that is x square minus 2x, and we have to multiply this minus 2 with this 3 and this minus 2 with minus x. So it will give you minus 6 plus 2x. After solving this, we will get an equation, that is x square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. So this is an equation of type, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Third part says x minus 2, x plus 1, which is equals to x minus 1, x plus 3. So here we have to solve it. First of all, we have to multiply this x with this bracket and minus 2 with this whole bracket. Same here, we have to multiply this x with this bracket and minus 1 with this whole bracket. So after solving this, we will get an equation, that is 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is not an equation of type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore this is not a quadratic equation. Fourth part says x minus 3 and 2x plus 1, which is equals to x into x plus 5. So here we have to solve again x multiply this whole bracket and minus 3 we have to multiply by this whole bracket. Therefore it will give you 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. Now we have to solve equals to x into x, that is x square, and x plus x into 5, that is 5x. Therefore it will give you an equation, that is x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation because it is a type of equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Fifth part says 2x minus 1, x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 and x minus 1. Again solving it by the same method, we will get an equation, that is x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is an equation of type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Sixth part says x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So we know the formula of a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will give you x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square minus 4x plus 4. That is equals to 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is not an equation of type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Seventh part says x plus 2 whole cube, which is equals to 2x into x square minus 1. So after solving it, we will get an equation, that is x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8, which is equals to 0. So it is not any quadratic equation. Eighth part says x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, which is equals to x minus 2 whole cube. Again solving it, we will get an equation, that is 2x square minus 13x plus 9, which is equals to 0. Therefore this is an equation of type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means it is a quadratic equation. Second question says represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. First part says the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find length and the breadth of the plot. So here we can have length and the breadth of the plot be x and 2x plus 1. So x into 2x plus 1 equals to 528. It will give you an equation, that is 2x square plus 8 minus 528, which is equals to 0. Second part says the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integer. So let the first integer be x and the second integer be x plus 1. So the product will be x into x plus 1. Therefore equals to 306. So the equation will be x square plus x minus 306, which is equals to 0. So the two consecutive integers satisfies the quadratic equation, that is x square plus x minus 306, which is equals to 0. Third part says Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages and year is 3 years from now will be 360. He would like to find Rohan's present age. So we have to let the Rohan age be x and the mother age will be x plus 29. After 3 years, Rohan age will be x plus 3 and mother age will be x plus 29. Therefore, the product age is x plus 3 into x plus 29, which will be equals to 360. So after solving this equation, we will have an equation that is x square plus 32x minus 273, which is equals to 0. So the age of Rohan satisfies the quadratic equation, that is x square plus 32x minus 273, which is equals to 0. Fourth part says a train travels a distance of 480 km at the uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So here we have to let the speed of a train equals to x km per hour. So total distance is given, that is 480 km, and we know the time taken, that is distance upon speed. So therefore distance is given, that is 480, and speed we have let, that is x kilometer. So if the speed had been 8 km less, then time taken will be 480 upon x minus 8 hours. Therefore 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x, which is equals to 3. After solving this, we will get 480x minus 480x plus 3640, which is equals to 3 into x minus 8x. Further solving, we will get an equation, that is 3x square minus 24x minus 3640, which is equals to 0. Therefore, the speed of the train satisfies the quadratic equation, that is 3x square minus 24x minus 3640, which is equals to 0. So guys, this is all from this exercise. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Sim Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.